Alright guys, greetings everybody and welcome to Authentic channel. So in continuation of our previous video about Spender app that I told you guys that I'll be showing you guys how to create a US dollar foreign MasterCard that you can use and shop all over the world. Alright, so that is exactly the tutorial we are going to be going through in this particular video. So if you know you have not watched our previous video about this Spender app, Spender is a platform that you can receive any cryptocurrency of your choice and automatically they will convert it to your local currency wherever you are in Africa. If you are in Nigeria, you send $100, $1,000, you are going to get the equivalent right here in Naira. And from here, you can use it to shop anywhere in the world or withdraw it down to your local bank simply by clicking on transfer, clicking on a bank account right here, click on select bank, and you will see all the Nigerian banks right here, Access Bank, Microfinance Bank, everything, easy peasy. Okay, so without passing through the stress of P2P, trading on exchanges, seizing your coin, scammers, and so on and so forth. So you don't really have anything to fear. So if you know you have not been using this Spender app, the link to this particular app is going to be in the description section and comment section of this video. So get started immediately, and I will attach that previous video to this particular one so that you first of all get familiar with this platform before you go ahead and create your US dollar MasterCard, right? So let's go down to today's business, which is creating the US dollar MasterCard. And as we all know, when it comes to MasterCard, you already know what that means and you already know what it can do when they talk about MasterCard, right? So this is how to get your MasterCard after you've joined this particular Spender platform. You come to this particular button that they say cards. You tap on the card section, click on create virtual cards. Then you guys will see that we can literally create three different of ATM card right here. The number one is Naira Wave card, number two is Visa card, then number three is US dollar MasterCard, right? So let's explore them. Click on Naira Wave card right here. You guys can see that this one just have to pay only 500 Naira for you to get this card, and there's no monthly maintenance, right? So you can use this particular card to make transaction anywhere in the world. You can pay on AliExpress, on your Jumia, Netflix, Uber, and 40,000 other sites, which shows that you can use this to purchase literally anything you want in the world. It's as simple as that with just 500 Naira. So for you to see a card that will give you all this accessibility and flexibility, you need to pay thousands of Naira, okay? So if you want to go for Wave card, you just click on create card right here and you get it immediately. So let's go back, click on Visa card. This one is free charge. You don't have to pay for anything. You create your Visa card free of charge. So come to MasterCard right here. You can click on create card right here. So this particular MasterCard, you create and activate instantly. And this one also charges $0, 0 Naira, 0 Kobo. This is really amazing, guys. For you to create a US dollar MasterCard for free, there's no platform that can literally do this for you. So this is a big time game changing, guys. So this is how to go about it. Click on create card right here and you guys will see fund your US dollar from your Spender wallet. All right, so all you have to do is for you to the amount you have here, you put it right this particular place, enter the amount maximum, then you create your card. That is the amount you have right here, and this is the exchange rate. Okay, it's as simple as that. Naira value, fee, and everything, the Naira debit. So you just have to follow the process. Tap on, probably you want to add like $1, you just put $1 right here. Then click on this place that they wrote total Naira debit. You put the amount that you want them to debit you in Naira. Then you fund the card, because you have to fund the card for you to create the card, okay? That is just the step to go about it. And this second one right here is the Wave card. Let's go back a bit. I think I'll be exploring this Wave card. So let me click on create card since I have some funds right here. Alright, they say enter PIN or you use your biometrics. It's in progress. Creating your Naira Wave card is as simple as that. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. It's in progress. Alright, and hola guys, if you take a look at my dashboard, you guys will see that my card is successfully created. So they say change your PIN to activate your card. So I'll just tap on change your PIN. Then you put your default PIN, also put your new PIN, then you proceed. So let's do this. Alright, so this is how to go about it. This particular place that they say default PIN. okay, which is the first one right here. You guys can see default pin. So you click on this place that they say view default pin. You will see the pin that they gave you right here. Put that particular one right here, okay, right here. Then put your main pin here, which is your new pin that you would like to use for transaction. Then click on change pin. Then use biometrics or any form of login activation that you have. Then you wait for them to finish the work. Alright, beautiful. Card pin created. Then click done to go to card page. So now we are good to go, right? We are good to go. So I'll click the done button right here, and you guys will see that my card is right here. So this is my VEF card. If I click on this particular view details, I will see all the details and everything. So with this particular card, I don't even think if we still need the US dollar MasterCard, but you can still go ahead and set up that one. But with this particular VEF card, according to Spenda, you can make use of it and make any purchase online, right? You can use it to pay on Netflix, you can use it to pay on AliExpress, you can use it to pay on Alibaba, Google, Netflix, everything, another 40,000 online merchants. So that's just that. This is a very good thing, guys. So set up your own card and start making use of it, so you can manage your card details and everything right here. So that's just that in this particular video. Start making use of your card and start shopping seamlessly online. Till I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.